I'm not a donut connoisseur like Rick.
I love donuts.
I'm just here for the donuts.
Oh, that's yours.
Get off. Stop, man.
See, this way this
now
one
you
feels.
tricked me.
I
This
know
feels like the same donut. You tricked me. Come on.
I found it.
Oh man, you're starting off.
I already know.
Well, hold on. It feels like a donut.
That's a Dunkin' Donuts, man. That's garbage.
Ah, look at you.
Only Yankees would like that.
Is this a different? This tastes like the same donut.
I ain't finishing that. It's
Dunkin'.
garbage.
Duck Donuts.
Dunkin'?
I want to say Dunkin' too.
1, 2, 3. Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, that one stuck to the plate, so that's
Ooh,
something massive
that's
right
sketch.
here.
Oh, this one's wet.
Soggy.
Oh, it's so slimy. Ew.
This one here, I can tell by the consistency, this is something fancy.
I don't like this one.
That's pretty good.
This one's from last week. It's definitely Dunkin'.
You can taste the difference of this one.
The other
This
big
better
one.
not be the QT.
I'm going to QT right now. Give me a dozen of them.
I take back everything I just said. But you nasty donut.
You're making me not want to eat it. I'm going to. It's a donut.
It's so slimy at the bottom.
Oh, that's awful.
It's so fresh. Mm-hmm. Man, I'm gonna eat all of it. You got another one?
If it's QT's an option, I would say QT.
That's cute too.
Yep.
This is definitely duck.
Yes.
Dunkin'.
Duck Donuts. Oh yeah.
Oh, I can tell already what this
I know
is.
what that is. That's heaven.
I just by feeling it, I know exactly what this one is.
Oh, I know this one.
That's a whoop.
Yeah, you're right.
Whoops.
Can we microwave it for about 5 seconds? That's how you get the full experience.
All day.
All day long.
Can I eat all of it?
1, 2, 3.
Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme.
1, 2.
Krispy Kreme.
3, 2, 1. Dunkin' Donuts
Krispy Kreme.
glazed white icing.
That's a Krispy Kreme original.
I wish I could say that I donut know, but I do know.
I was gonna check this
It's
off.
Krispy Kreme.
Oh, it's meaty.
Yeah.
It's like a steak. Steak donut.
This is a massive donut.
Oh, wait a minute.
The texture is homemade.
This is definitely QT. This tastes like a couple days in the hot sun.
Traveled across 6 states to get to my QT.
Been pawed by every worker in Charlotte area.
I don't know, man.
Not this one, not this one, this one.
Delicious.
That was better than the first one. Can I guess the same one over and over again?
This thing's pretty daggum good.
Duck Donuts.
I was gonna say duck.
Duck.
QT.
Duck Donuts. It's heavy, man.
Broke a piece of my
Duck
tooth
Donuts
with
got
that
some
one right
heavy
there.
donuts.
Duck.
Gas station.
Duck. Dang. Where you at?